garlicky sauce with nice, big, juicy shrimp. This is my enchilada de camarones, also known as shrimp creole. I'm Chef Patty and welcome to the Mad Table. Growing up in a Cuban family, enchilada de camarones was that one dish that my mom always used to make for special occasions. It's that good, but it's also that easy that you can make as a weeknight meal any night of the week. So like most good Cuban recipes, you start off with a sofrito. So a sofrito is equivalent to the Holy Trinity. I'm starting off with olive oil. I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil. I have a whole onion that I have sliced, 1 large bell pepper. I'm using red just because I think it's so beautiful, the red bright color. But if you have green or yellow or orange, you can use anything that you have or that you prefer. I'm gonna throw in a bay leaf. If you wanna chop your onions, you can. I didn't even chop my onions. I'm making this as easy as possible. So all I've done is slice my onions and I slice the bell peppers. So I didn't do any small dices. And obviously you can, it's your preference, right? Whatever works for you. Garlic is going in. You just want to cook it for about 20 to 30 seconds. You don't want your garlic to burn. And this is one of those dishes that look really fancy, but it really isn't. You're gonna see how quickly it comes together. Tomato sauce going in. I'm using 8 ounces of tomato sauce. A 1/4 cup of ketchup. That's right, we're using regular store-bought ketchup, and the ketchup is gonna add a little sweetness to the sauce. A 1/4 cup of white wine. A tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And the Worcestershire sauce adds so much flavor to this sauce. And now 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. This is it for our sauce ingredients. I'm gonna lower the heat, cover it, and we will check on it in 10 minutes. Our sauce has been simmering for 10 minutes. Now it's time for the rest of our ingredients. I'm gonna sprinkle a little salt, black pepper. Shrimp is going in. Now the only other ingredient that I'm going to add is a little hot sauce because I love that kick. So I have about a tablespoon of hot sauce. Sprinkling with some fresh parsley. And that is it. We're gonna let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll be ready to serve it. You can serve it with pasta. I like eating it with white fluffy rice, but rice, pasta, or even some crusty bread would go great with this. I hope you've enjoyed our enchilada de camarones, also known as shrimp creole video. And if you did, make sure to hit the subscribe button next to the bell. And if you have any comments, share them below. See you soon.